Employee Lifecycle Mapping is a strategic HR process that involves identifying and analyzing the various stages of an employee's journey within an organization, from recruitment to separation. This approach helps HR professionals gain insights into the experiences, needs, and interactions of employees at each stage of their employment, enabling them to design targeted initiatives and interventions to enhance employee engagement, retention, and overall satisfaction. Let's discuss in detail how this employee life cycle mapping works. So the process starts with identification of life cycle stages. The employee life cycle typically consists of several stages, including recruitment, onboarding, development, performance management, retention, and separation. Each stage represents a distinct phase of the employee's journey within the organization. HR professionals identify and define the specific stages of the employee life cycle relevant to their organization's context and objectives. For each life cycle stage, HR professionals map out the key touch points and interactions that employees have with the organization. This includes activities, processes, and events that shape the employee experiences during that stage. Employee experiences may include interactions with recruiters during the hiring process, orientation sessions during onboarding, performance reviews, training and development programs, and offboarding procedures. After mapping employee experiences, human resource professionals gather qualitative and quantitative data to understand employees' experiences, perceptions, and sentiments at each stage of the life cycle. This may involve surveys, interviews, focus groups, performance metrics, turnover rates, and feedback mechanisms. Data analysis techniques such as sentiment analysis, thematic coding, and journey mapping are used to identify patterns, trends, and pain points in the employee life cycle. Once the data analysis is done, human resource professionals identify pain points and areas for improvement in the employee life cycle based on data analysis and employee feedback. Pain points may include bottlenecks in the recruitment process, gaps in onboarding experiences, lack of career development opportunities, or issues with performance management practices. Opportunities for enhancing the employee experience may include streamlining processes, enhancing communication and transparency, providing personalized development opportunities, and fostering a culture of recognition and appreciation. Based on the insights gained from employee lifecycle mapping, human resource professionals design targeted interventions and initiatives to address identified pain points and capitalize on opportunities for improvement. Interventions may include redesigning recruitment processes to improve candidate experience, enhancing onboarding programs to accelerate integration and engagement, implementing continuous feedback mechanisms for performance management, and developing career pathways and succession plans for talent development. Employee lifecycle mapping is an ongoing process that requires continuous monitoring and iteration. HR professionals regularly collect feedback, evaluates the effectiveness of interventions, and makes adjustments as needed to ensure that the employee experience evolves in line with organizational goals and employee needs. By continuously refining the employee life cycle, organizations can create a positive work environment, foster employee engagement, and drive organizational success.